Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix UtcSvc high CPU usage on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing UtcSvc high CPU usage, then I will show you a simple method you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just open the services, click on search menu, then type here services. Click on the services. In this you need to find the UtcSvc service which is connected user experience. Double click on that, select as automatic, click on start, click on apply, then click OK. Then right click on that, then click on restart. After trying this option still it is not working, you can try by disabling this. Right click on that, again click on property, click on startup type, then select as disable. Click on apply, then click OK. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then click on start menu, then click on settings, then click on privacy and security, in right side you will find diagnostic and feedback. Click on that. You have to just disable this option, send optional diagnostic data, just disable it and restart your PC. After doing this still you are facing the issue, then you can try another method, that is you can scan for malware. Click on start menu, then type here Windows security. Click on Windows security. Here you will find scan now, click on that, then click on scan option. In this you will find Microsoft Defender Antivirus offline scan. Select this option, then click on scan now. After that it will scan for malware. If you found any malware in that, it will delete automatically. After trying all these options still it is not working, then what you have to do, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here sysdm.cpl, then click on this sysdm.cpl control panel item. Click on advanced option. Under performance you will find setting, click on that, then you have to select adjust for best performance. Click on apply, then click OK. Click OK again. After doing this you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix UtcSvc high CPU usage on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.